In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson T30 using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download these resetter or adjustment programs, first you need to disable your antivirus, including Windows real-time protection and the temper protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. This is just for a while. After you done the reset process, you can enable the antivirus again. After that, you can download the Epson T30 resetter or adjustment programs, the link on pinned comments. After you download the file, you can just right click, and in here I'm using WinRAR and choose extract here. Then open the resetter folder and run the adjustment programs. Click accept. In here, you need just to select particular adjustment mode and choose was ink pad counter and click OK. Then please click on main pad counter option in here. Click check button. After that, you can click initialization button. If you encounter an error here, you can repeat the reset process until the resetter works. You can try using another USB port on your PC if you fail to reset. After the resetter works, you can turn off your printer and you can close the resetter programs. Then you can turn back on your printer again. Hope this video helpful for you.